everyone, hope that you're doing well during this time. Today currently is March 29, Sunday, and it's been about, I would say, 10 days since we've been kind of in quarantine here, and really just staying grateful for what we have, and for everybody that's helping people that are sick and all of that. And so today Reid is gonna make another dish, and he's actually never tried this before, but he's gonna make hot and sour soup, and I'm gonna film it. And yeah, we're just gonna have fun this afternoon as we make this for the first time. So I hope you enjoy.
We're making hot and sour soup. It's a Chinese dish. It's been a little cold lately, so we're gonna use it to warm up. It's got a lot of flavor in it. Not only is it hot as temperature wise, but it's tasty and there's a sour bite to it. I'm gonna put a bunch of vegetables in here with some chicken. Well, the base is chicken broth, which Cari actually made from real live chicken a few days ago. So we're gonna use that and supplement with some store-bought chicken broth and actual rotisserie chicken, and then a bunch of vegetables like tofu, onions, carrots, mushrooms, and soy sauce and vinegar. So that's the previously frozen broth that Cari made a few days ago, and we're going to use that as a base, but it's not enough, so we actually have to supplement it with a little bit more. And everything we'll do to taste, but usually you're supposed to put in 6 cups, but we're going to try to make as much as we can. This is our protein. Aside from the chicken, I'm trying to make this as healthy as possible. So we're using mostly vegetables. I'm not a big vegetable fan. I like meat, but my wife likes vegetables. Happy wife, happy life. Sad my life. This is mushrooms. We couldn't find enoki mushrooms, so we found the next best thing. Something that looks like enoki. I think we doubled the recipe, so we're gonna add a half cup of each. So a half cup of shoyu, half cup of vinegar. This is what's gonna give it that sour taste. And then we need a dark shoyu. just thickens it. We'll just put in a little at a time. I'm gonna thicken it up a little bit. It's a little watery, so put some cornstarch, make it a little heartier.
So what do you think of the quarantine so far?
It's so fun. I get to spend time with my wife. We do things like playing chess, and I beat her all the time. We make a lot of meals. We just clean this whole house, set up a bookshelf that we haven't done in like 4 months. It's really good. It's both hot and sour.
So I don't know if I've ever had this before. It's very sour because of the vinegar, but it works really well with the shoyu. And let me try some tofu. This is really good. I feel like I've never had this in a Chinese restaurant, but I could be wrong. But I really like the mushrooms that you put into the soup. I think it really adds a lot of good flavor, as well as the cilantro. And I never used to be a cilantro lover, but for some reason I'm starting to eat more cilantro, which is very, very strange. Good job, Reid. Very good.